Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Monday. Right now we are in Quebec for a friendship with Jenna and Bridget and Rebecca. And Jenna just hurt herself. So today we went through and we learned all these history lessons about Quebec, and it was really boring. Like, if I wanted to know about history, I think I would have just went to social studies.
Fancy kid.
And then today at lunch, it was dinner, right?
Yeah.
So we ate
baby cow.
So first we were on the bus. We left at 6, and we didn't get there till like 3. And then we went on, learned about all the history, and it was boring. And then so we went out for dinner. So she gets this ravioli, and there's veal in it. There's this baby cow. And then I get pork, right?
Yeah,
and the sauce on it was, I don't even know what that was. It was
tell me what you said it was.
I thought it was cum, to be honest. And then at first they didn't ask me for my drink. They asked everyone else what they wanted to drink, but they didn't ask me. And we had this broccoli soup, and it was really gross. So they would not ask me for my drink. They just keep walking by us. So then I just started like taking the salt and the pepper, and I kept pouring it in my bowl every time they walked by, just so they knew. Because apparently the French think it's like disrespectful when you don't like their food. So then I just started putting salt and pepper in it to show them disrespect, because I wanted my drink. But the salt and pepper did make it taste better, so yeah.
I feel like a guy. Oh guys, look, it's a French commercial.
Yeah, all our TV stations are in French, and my phone doesn't even work, so I can't text anyone, but my internet works, so I think I'd die.
Oh, he's eating it. Enjoy that.
And so, now that it's nighttime, we have to be in our room at 10, and we were hanging out with all these guys and girls in this one room being loud, and we got talked to like so many times. And then she left. I stayed with Michaela, Emily, and Olivia, and the guys. And then I ended up going out the window because we didn't have a balcony. We were like the only ones who didn't have the balcony. So I went out the window, and then I came back in. And then we went to a room that had a balcony, and then we went out on there. And then they locked me and my friend Nate out. And then at 10, it came, and they already checked the room, and I wasn't there. So I had to run by my French teacher so they wouldn't see me. She was goody two-shoes and already in the shower.
I didn't want to get in trouble.
I don't care.
I was like, I'm back in my shower. And he knocked on the door, I'm like, hello, and Claymore Team was there. And she's like, make sure you open your window. I'm like, I already did. She's like, okay, good. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, Claymore Team, she's the girl from France, and she's staying.
Oh my god, I want to see if this looks fun.
Yeah, I'm doing her hair because I did my hair and she liked it, so she wants me to do her hair.
Look at this mess of a hat. I have no makeup on, I'm terrible. So,
you jealous of her partying?
On a boat.
Nay, nay. Okay, anyways, this is still the same night. We just took the boat video and put it in the middle because we thought it was funny. Okay, sorry we're all over the place. My iPad is being retarded. Anyway, so, yeah, we're bored. And
oh my god, his pants are falling down. I mean, that's a girl.
We don't really have an idea for Naughty Monday, so we just thought we would show you around Quebec. So here are some videos while we were in Quebec. So, and by the way, today is Jenna's birthday. Happy birthday, Jenna. I've been buying her so much stuff in Quebec. I'm spoiling her so much.
And
candy.
Yeah.
And coffee and a donut.
Oh yeah.
Duh, you can't forget that. And then today I offered to take her to the spa. So yeah, anyway, here's the videos.
Jenna being weird.
Fun.
doing? This way.
He's dancing with me.
No.
Get out of the way, man.
I'm trying.
Figure 8. Oh, jeez.
Got a beer belly going on.
This is how the youngins dance.
Wow.
Raise your hands like Beelzebub is calling you.
What? Do the hip thrust. Figure 8, Robert. Figure 8.
Come on, Matt. You can join us.
I'm not Matt. What the hell?
That's Nate.
No, I'm not a prostitute.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, Killam made stuff out of copper.
Oh yeah.
Boom. Yeah. And Michaela's too.
Well then.
Quebec.
I see it though.
I was told by
Yeah, well, that birdie's an idiot. So.
What does that say? Danger, beyond interdicting?
Other words, don't swim in it.
It doesn't say no swimming in it.
It should.
They were gonna say that, they wouldn't.
Is this like creaky or something?
Bridges.
My mom's terrified of these.
This is weird.
Your reaction? No. Oh, it's shaking.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ah, it moves. Look at it. It's so beautiful. No, let's not jump.
Good. Let's go down that way.
Yeah, let's get a canoe, bro. Canoe right down it. Oh.
You would drop that in the water.
I think I'd cry. It's so beautiful.
You should go on that rock or that rock.
And then just like dive off.
Yeah. Matty Monday.
Oh yeah.
It's on the rainbow.
Oh, you can actually see it.
Rainbow. Rainbow.